When colors mingle on the page, so many things happen. It's like a playground. My name is Danielle Donaldson, and I am a watercolorist and an illustrator, and I love to infuse the two together to come up with small-scale drawing that has a ton of story and color behind it. This class is really good about breaking down some really simple, basic techniques in watercolor and then throwing a ton of color at it, and it's really hard to not be successful and be happy with it. The combination of techniques and the mingling of colors will give students more confidence to infuse color in their own work. Once you let go of worrying about color choices, you're able to infuse colors without thought and with more intention, kind of a meditation of sorts. While watching the paint dry, you're just intently grabbing colors and dropping them in or mixing them up. And then you let it go and sit back and watch it dry. And you realize that by controlling some parts of your process and letting go of control of other parts of your process, beauty is created.